Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set Passkey in PI Network. PI Network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency platform that lets users mine PI coins securely using a smart, and PI Network uses modern security features like Passkey to protect accounts. Passkey are safer, easier and help prevent hacking or account loss, and if you want to secure your PI Network account, setting a Passkey is highly recommended, and here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure you have a PI Network app. If you do not have, so you can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. After that, simply open to your PI Network. Once you reach into this dashboard, here on the top left corner, we could see there's a three-lined icon. Tap on this three-lined icon. Here you'll find your menu. Now tap on your profile on the bottom, and over here you need to find the Passkey option. Scroll a bit down until you find the Passkey here. Select Passkey just and select Passkey add. Here you can type down your password, and after you're done, select continue, and this option appears if passkeys are supported on a device and region, and once verified, your phone will automatically generate and store a passkey using your device security system. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or query, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.